There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you.
Another day, another new experience, and of course another brand new weekend has arrived. Good morning, people. This is your host Venu again, and today me and my rider friend Mervin, we're going to go to Pune, but in between, and here he is.
Yeah, and this we've been planning from the last 1 year.
Exactly.
And at last we're going today.
At last. And I was late, by the way, 1.5 hours. He had to wait. Anyway, guys, actually, while we are on the NH, for the old NH for Pune Mumbai highway, and look what we have come across. Guys, it's an old Boeing 737. The engines are missing, and it's a 737. Of course, it's a narrow body aircraft, and probably it is here for some training purpose or something. We've been planning to go inside, but I don't know whether we are allowed to go in or not. I guess it's a private property, and but then again, this reminds me of good old aviation days, guys.
Separated, let's not forget.
Yeah. And yeah, I guess it's for some training purpose. It's for some academy for aviation purposes and stuff like that. But then again, it's really good. I'm like, in a way, I've traveled back in time. So guys, cheers.